Is this portable rechargeable juicer any good? We're gonna find out. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we are checking out this portable juicer. You can charge it with the USB port and you can take it on the go. Let's open it up, see what we have inside, and we're gonna make some smoothies and see how it does. So in the box we have micro USB, owner's manual, and the unit itself. So when you look at the body, you see the cap with the handle, the filter, and the motor housing at the bottom is made out of plastic, and the centerpiece is made out of real glass. The provided handle makes it very convenient if you just want to have this on the go and grab it and take it with you. When you open the lid, it has a filter, which is nice. When you're trying to pour the juice, you're not gonna get all the extras if you don't want it, like the pulps. So what's nice about the filter is if you don't want to use it, all you have to do is just screw off the cap, take the filter off, and then you can put the lid back on. And when you open it up, you are greeted with 6 stainless steel blades, and you have your USB port up front, as well as the power button and an LCD screen that will show the status of the blender. For example, when it's fully charged, when it's being charged, or when it presents you with an error. And the owner's manual give you all the codes that you may see on the screen. Let's talk about some specs. This is a 15-ounce portable juicer. It has a 4200 milliamp battery. So let's try to make some juice and take a look at its consistency and see how well it can blend. I'm gonna get some help from this app to try to randomize everything I got here and make a juice. All right, so first we're gonna select the juice. I have coconut water, apple juice, pomegranate juice, and orange juice. Pomegranate juice. Let's select our fruit. Apple. Strawberries. Let's select our yogurt that we're gonna pour in. All right, blueberries. Now it's recommended not to fill this up 100%, and anywhere between 60 to 80%, that is going to be an ideal volume for you to be able to get the best consistency. All right. Let's see what we get. It did a really nice job. I don't see any fruit particles, and I think the 6 stainless steel blade has done the trick. Cheers, let's see how it tastes. It is really good. It actually liquefies it really nicely. I'm really pleased with this. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please remember to smack that like button. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification so you can watch my future tech videos. And if you're interested in this blender, I have a link down in the description below with a 20% coupon code exclusive for the viewers of this channel. Take a look at it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.